My name is Robert with Web Developer Ninja, and today I'm going to give you some tips and kind of guidance on how to choose a good web design company for your next website or your next new website or website redesign. So the first thing you want to really take a look at is what kind of goals do you want your website to do for your business. So these goals can range from you want more phone leads, you want more people calling your store, or maybe you want more emails from an email contact form for newsletters or some sort of monthly mailings, or maybe you want a form on your website so you can get more customer information, maybe even order information for leads. So really nail down what kind of goals that you want your website to fulfill for your business. The next thing you want to take a look at is your budget. And the budget's it's a big deal, and it's an important thing to consider because there's a difference between having your nephew's son build a website for $100 and a premier web design company building a website for $10,000. So obviously there's a middle ground, but you really you get what you pay for. So it's really important to consider what kind of budget you have for your website. Once you've got your goals and your budget figured out, the next thing you want to take a look at is start researching some companies. And I would suggest start by researching some local companies. Go to their website, see if their goals, what they offer, align with what your goals are for your websites. So some web design companies have different specialties. You want to make sure that their specialties align with what you want. Once you've got a good list of some local companies, I'll start local that have kind of the same similar aligned goals. It's time to get on the phone and give them a call. And you want to talk to them, and you can either set up an in-person meeting or get this on the phone, but you want to really tell them what kind of goals that you have for your website and see how they respond to offering to those goals. So if they shy away from, say one of your goals is you really want to have a website that looks great on mobile phones. Like a lot of your customers come from mobile phones. You want to make sure that they're getting a great experience. If you're on the phone, you say, hey, how do you handle mobile phone, the smartphones, and they don't have they're not like, we have a great responsive web design package, or they don't have a good mobile phone option or mobile device option, I would say they're not the right company for you. So really make sure that what they are saying aligns with what you need. The next thing you need to do is really ask for some portfolio work, because a lot of companies, they have their own style. So they're definitely going to be able to cater to like different designs, but they all have there's a similar style that they all can have. So make sure, see a couple of their websites and see if that style matches with what you want, because the last thing you want to do is go through this web design process and at the end of it not have a website that you really want. So once you've got that information and you've went through all the companies and use your goals and you kind of think about it, narrow it down, it's time to start your web design process. It's always good to get everything in writing, and it doesn't even necessarily have to be a formal contract or anything, but you want to get it in writing so the goals for the website and the things that the website needs to accomplish, they get done. So once you have all that stuff taken care of, it's ready to start your website. If you're interested in a website, check out Web Developer Ninja. Our website's webdeveloperninja.com. Thank you.